Today we're going to go through what type of visual creative you should be using for your ads. Whether it's Facebook or Instagram, both of these platforms have a huge advantage over some of the other search platforms as you have the visual aspect. You can show people things. A few things that you want to consider when you are choosing your ads or creating your ads. So it's one, leverage visual as much as possible. Use video. Video is extremely powerful because you can show a lot more than you can say. Show people how your product works. Show people how it's going to help and benefit their life. So video with a how-to or an explainer or a demo is a great place to start if you're looking at running some Facebook ads or Instagram ads. The next one is video is not in every single placement. So some of the best placements for remarketing might actually be the right-hand column because it's super cheap, there's no frequency caps, and you can get in front of people a lot of times for very cheap. So using the right-hand column, it's all images. So make sure you also include some image ads in your ad sets and campaigns so that you have video and images. In terms of image, you want to show something interesting, something that's going to stand out. Bright colors, awkward poses, funny poses, anything that's going to stop someone from scrolling and make them pay attention. This is another thing about imagery. You're going to have a holding image for all your videos. Make sure your holding image is really eye-catching and it's going to stop someone from scrolling. Start your ads with visual, definitely doing video and imagery. Make sure that you're showing people how your product works, what it does, and how it's going to benefit their life. This can really be bootstrapped as in you holding your phone and literally showing people how your product works. This is organic. Social does not have to be perfect. It's not a TV ad. Start with something that isn't super professional because you might find you actually get better results from that. And then later down the line, once you start making some revenue from that and you can start affording higher and higher production values, you can then start testing those as well. Please do not let quality of your video content stop you from publishing things. The more organic, the better. Showing people how something works or how it's going to affect and improve their lives. Those are other really important things. So hopefully that's helped. Drop some comments below. Let me know if you want any suggestions. If you drop your website link in there, I can give you some suggestions on what type of video ads you would want to run or what type of video ads you would shoot. I'd love to hear from you guys. Bye.